OBI has restocked today quite a lot of garden plants, mostly flowers, clematis, the most variety so far in our place, and I was really excited. And they have some varieties I have never seen last year, and I bought the pink one on the right end of the shelf. By the way, these Rubens have shorter bloom period. I bought a pink fantasy, and impatiens, quite a lot of colors. These guys can bloom decently in full shade. One of my friends was totally in love with them last summer. You can plant beside garage and such corners, very nice. And it's normal price, 3.9. These are Petunia from Germany. This is a TIF price, lowest price so far, and they have mostly purple, white, yellow, and red with strips, and upper is this like a bear. I don't know the name. It's not. They are smaller flowers. They doing good in containers. And the normal petunias, we all know they will grow very, grand. It goes grand, go very big, large, full of life in summertime until the first frost. And they even at the end of March already have dahlia in blossom. But I don't dare to buy them because it's too early. Any drop of our temperature in Switzerland, even in the sunroom, even in the unheated garden house, it will be a catastrophe for them. So I leave them in the shop. They are nice. And even this hibiscus. Everything is called hibiscus in English, but this has to be above 15 degrees, this variety, so it's only for indoors. Looks very nice, was shaped into a tree shape, good present. And here are other kind of petunia. This is very stunning. I regret already that I did not buy this one. I have been collecting petunia this year because I always have the doubt if I could ever get proven winner super petunia this year. So I just, you never know. I bought this one in the back, this dark violet with yellow strips. It looks very special. I think, and this is a very special color, like cartoon universe. I don't know how to describe it. It looks like a movie, like an animation movie's background color. But it's very special. These are brand new from Italy. Very cute, smaller flowers than you can see it in the background, the normal one. I don't know the name. I did not check so far, only get excited, and I bought this pink one already. It's annual. It will flower until the late autumn, until the frost comes. And these are very good for cut flowers. You don't see it often in garden center with this length and size. It's a good deal for me, and they are not in bloom yet, in blossom yet, but I have one at home. It was like a fairy tale. It's really worth to have a try of this. About rose and hortensia and hydrangea, nothing special at the moment. Curly Wurly from last year, Double Dutch from last year, and they are from Netherlands. I did not shopping any hydrangea so far. These are normal big leaf hydrangea. They are in good shape. They are very healthy, but there's even don't have a name for this variety. And this one, it looks also nice. Sometimes you find very cute ones in this bower hortensia. in ordinary flower shop. This is what I have bought today. As you can see, pink, 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 pink. Guilty. Thanks for watching and have a great day.